think. Are we live? Yes, we're all systems go. We are coming to you live on both Instagram and Facebook Live. Wow. And all right, it's time for MARIMAR'S Spanish Table.
All right.
Yay.
And it's Tuesday. The first time we do it
It's Tuesday. Well, we did do it once or twice before on Tuesday, but we did skip March because you were traveling a lot. But we will get to that. So, okay, Mom, what are we cooking today?
I thought you organized me on my trips. No, it's fine. First, I didn't work with it. We're going to do something really very summery, very refreshing, and not too difficult. Last time I did something really difficult, the quail, and I thought maybe next time we'll do something simple.
The quail was a little challenging, but it was very tasty. Very tasty.
I hope you made it at home. It really is good. Yeah, yeah. In fact, we did a blind lunch. Oh, this is something. You have to come next year, right? We'll do on the blind lunch.
Okay, but what are we actually cooking today?
So we're cooking a salad. Okay.
Yeah, well, I guess cooking, but
preparing. Yeah.
It is an amanida de troncha, api y menta, which means orange and celery salad with mint.
Your parents' accent.
Okay. All right. Yes, always room for improvement. So you've got the recipe in the content of the post, as well as the wine pairing that we will pair with our Albariño. So if you have any questions, do let us know. And this is a pretty simple, fun salad.
So you can tell jokes and you know,
there we go.
Fun things.
And let us know that you've...
And we can have a glass of wine.
And we can have a glass of wine. Let us know also that you have tuned in. And let us know where you are tuning in from, and if you're cooking anything tonight.
Because you know about Fridays that we could have a glass of wine or two and think, oh, tomorrow is Saturday. And now it's like, tomorrow is Wednesday. Yeah.
But this is a nice little midweek break. A little mother-daughter cheer to your midweek. All right, this is our 2021 Albariño. Well, I guess, honestly, this salad, we picked it because it's such like, well, I didn't take a sip. Hold on. Now there we go. We picked it. It's a nice, fresh, bright salad. Really crisp and great for springtime. And all right, so
and it has no vinegar, so it really goes well with wine, and you have to taste it to really.
Yeah.
So anyway, it's essentially celery and mint and carrot and orange, and then the dressing. So we start?
All right, let's start.
First we start with the orange. So the orange, what you want to do is you want to peel it like this, right? That's before peeling, that's after peeling. And
I remember you always say how in Spain you grew up peeling an orange with fork and knife, never even touching the orange with your fingers.
Yeah, because I went to a nun school and I was supposed to be well bred. and then what you do to get the segments without the skin, you kind of go like that.
Without the membrane.
Next to the pit.
But the membrane has so much fiber, Mom. You know I'm a big believer in not leaving anything out of eat the apple skin, and like all the pieces.
Okay, but that's how the pit should be without the pit. This is okay? Is it okay if I leave this?
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
But see, what you're left with really is just the membrane. And then you can put the membrane in, in the dog food.
Yeah. It gives them
something like that. Okay.
Good fiber for their diet. Well, guess who we have? We have Lambert Ridge has tuned in. Hello. Let's see, is it Jen and others from Lambert Ridge? So good to have you join us. Thanks for tuning in. And Taylor, with his classic dad jokes, let us off early for this. Good one. He had that one queued up. Love it. We've got Billy, who is tuned in, watching in Sebastopol with a glass of Tempranillo.
Okay.
Very nice.
All right,
good stuff. Especially on this surprisingly chilly, rainy spring day.
Yeah.
Cozy up with a glass of Tempranillo and TV show.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
And now I've got the bowl. The bowl for the sides here. So then you take the Boston lettuce, right?
Oh, I love those.
Yeah, these one are good. If they're not good, just take the the green kind of leaves out.
But we don't waste in this.
Okay, fine. I was just showing what could be done. Here, I'm putting it back. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you go.
I love it's like butter lettuce. chips as well that are nice and like not a lot of flavor, but nice and crunchy.
Small, and then you put it in the salad bowl, and I love this letter.
And in Spain, you were telling me that salad. Oh boy, allergy season.
Juice.
Excuse me. So salads are always served as a first course in Spain. They're really like not as a side dish, and certainly not ever as like your main course for lunch. That is not a thing.
And which is your favorite salad?
Oh, my favorite is, this is a classic. It is mint and fava beans. The mint must be somewhat of a common thread, huh, in these salads.
Oh yeah, mint is very, very
for salads and I guess anything in Catalonia. So mint and fava bean salad with jamon. It's so good. It's so good. And the fava beans, the little baby fava beans are so tender.
So then you take the carrots, take them, young like this, and then you just scrape them a little bit to get the black part out.
Okay.
And then once you have scraped them, let's picture this like that, right? Let's say that this is great because you don't have much to say, so I have to be talking and I have to be working, right? Okay.
Okay.
And then you just go with a thick thingamajig, right?
Okay. Maybe on here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And just go like that.
The grater, if you're, especially with soft things like cheese, you can actually kind of like hurt yourself on a grater.
Oh yeah.
Like your knuckles. Yeah. And another classic thing in Spain for salads, and do let us know if you have any questions. Of course, chime in along the way. This salad shouldn't need much in terms of substitutions. They're pretty straightforward, the ingredients.
We could do grapefruit instead of orange.
Oh, that's true.
We could.
That's true. That's a good point. Meyer lemon.
Well, Meyer lemon is in the dressing.
Okay, in the dressing. But that would make it a little more tart. Okay.
Yeah.
There we go. So another like salads in Spain. The really classic. Oh, excuse me. Well, Catalan salads. They have like tuna and bacalao and salt cod.
That's
so
right.
those are some really classic salads in Catalonia.
Once I remember a long time ago that I had a Jeremiah Tower over for dinner.
Oh boy!
And I had a so-called salad, and he thought that was wonderful.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Oh my! Jeremiah Tower's stamp of approval. Very impressive.
And then so after the orange comes the celery. And the celery essentially just you take 2 sticks and just cut it very small, just like that. I'm not very good at this because I never do it. You get the feeling, right?
I thought you would have better knife skills than that, Mom.
No, because
this is pot calling the kettle black, so
look, but it's still gonna come out.
That's not great knife skills.
What?
Okay, fine. They're great knife skills. Let's see. All right, and what else?
And mint. And that comes in for more
Ooh, beautiful.
So let's see.
You did also say that this could be a great dish as a first course, or as a or as or as a palate cleanser, like before dessert. That would be in the French style, though, not in the Spanish style. The French, they have the habit of serving salad like after the main course to kind of like, I don't know, help with the digestion or something.
And the mint, it smells so good, so fresh. With scissors, I prefer with scissors than with a knife.
Okay, and well, shall we talk about the Albariño? I mean, the Albariño. Ooh, I can smell that mint. The Albariño. I mean, you probably know it if you're watching this video. You've probably heard of and probably tasted our Albariño. This is grown here, right on this vineyard, the Don Miguel Vineyard, and this is a classic Spanish.
And it came from.
It came from Spain. It did indeed. Cuttings came from Spain. And that mint is smelling very, very good, giving this a minty smell. Although that's probably more of like a red wine characteristic for mint.
That's true, that's good.
Anyways, it's grown on this vineyard. This is a classic Spanish white aromatic variety from Galicia. And we've been growing it here since 2009 was our first vintage.
We've been growing it since 2004. But because Galicia...
But 09 was our first vintage.
10.
No, 09 was Chardonnay with Albariño.
Yes, exactly. Because in 09, we didn't have enough for a press load. So they were gonna put it with the Chardonnay, and I said, no, let's make a Chardonnay Albariño. And it was pretty good. And so the next year, 2010, we had a 100% Albariño, and our guests and visitors would come and say, "What's that Chardonnay Albariño?" So we said, "Okay, we're gonna have to make it." So we continue to make it, and it's really good.
There we go.
Maybe it would be good with this. I don't know. I've never tried it.
I mean, I bet it would be.
Yeah,
I bet it would be.
Maybe you can have it in a second.
Yeah, and the Chardonnay Albariño, we just released the 2022 vintage, and we're pouring it in the tasting room right now. So come on by and visit us and try our brand new 2022 Chardonnay Albariño. Okay, well, cheers with some Albariño.
So now we put all of that in the lovely bowl, which of course you can't see, but just trust me, right?
All right.
And
so you want to make sure that they knew it was a bowl?
No, that there was no blank inside, right?
But there's lettuce. Okay.
Yeah, there's lettuce and then there's the lovely the carrot.
Alrighty.
There we go. Thank you.
Okay.
And mint.
Okay.
Plop, 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 plop. And now what we do is we make the dressing. And the dressing is essentially, it's very simple. It's just 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, okay? Fresh Meyer lemon from our garden. And then you put some...
Meyer lemons are so good. They're so fragrant.
Salt and little pepper. More pepper than salt, and you kind of blend it like that. You can do it in a cuisine, it's so small.
What about the olive oil?
It's up to you.
Okay. All right.
And then you keep going like that, and you just go in small streams so that it blends better.
To kind of like emulsify.
Oh, what a lovely word.
Right?
Absolutely.
Hey.
Good job.
It's like my mom's written cookbooks or something.
Yeah. I think it shows that you went to, where did you go to? Work to?
Yeah, all those cooking classes I took at work.
Exactly. Well, you learn to spell and not make any spelling mistakes.
This is true. This is true. That may have also been all of the books I devoured when I was little.
That's true. So that's what it used to look like.
Okay.
Right? And then we put it here, and that's it here.
Oh, great. Time for some nice fresh salad. This will also be a great recipe for Mother's Day, which is right around the corner, less than 2 weeks away. And we will be celebrating here with our Mother's Day celebration and Godello release, our release of our brand new 2022 Godello.
Right.
Yeah, we're so excited. Another aromatic Spanish white variety. It is.
I was in Reno this morning.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Yes,
true.
and our friends in Reno are going to come over for that.
Oh, good.
Yes,
Yay.
yes,
Good.
yes.
Well, I can't wait to see Dinah and to meet Annie for the first time.
Yes, that's right.
That'll be fun.
Yeah.
And let's see, what else? Oh, yeah, so all these travels you've been on, Mom. Tell us where, in March, you were just nonstop.
Mid-March to mid-April, right?
Yeah.
So, well, first I was in Europe, of course, in Spain for a board meeting and blah, blah, blah. And then I went to Provide, which is the most important annual fair in Düsseldorf. And then I went to Maastricht. If you haven't been to Maastricht in Holland, or actually Netherlands, it's really a lovely town. And it has a great university, and my grandnephew is studying there for 3 years. I thought, and it's an hour and a half drive. So
Perfect.
I thought I'll go have dinner with him. And I shut that time. It was pretty cute. Yeah.
Okay.
And then went to Chile, and I took 24 of our club members to Chile, and we went all over the place.
That was the first time. The first
So-
time you've led trips to Spain before, but this was the first time in Chile.
Regions to Catalonia. But in Chile, we went to see our winery there, and also another 4 wineries, I'd say. We went to Patagonia, we went to see glacier.
Patagonia, so cool.
Yeah, to Torres del Paine, that you had told
Torres
me
del
about,
Paine,
and I always wanted to see.
I
And,
have been without you.
Yeah, and Valparaiso. It's really, really worth it. Very
So beautiful.
trip. Yeah,
And the Chilean people are just wonderful.
Oh, it was
Wonderful,
great.
wonderful,
Yeah.
warm and welcoming, and
Yeah.
so good.
Then I come back here and I'm still writing emails back to.
Yeah, but Mom, you're always writing emails.
Yeah, but from March.
Okay, let's try some of this very, very tasty, fresh salad.
Yep.
And let us know what you all are doing for Mother's Day as well. Anything you've got planned. Ooh, excuse me. Yeah.
Let's see.
What do we have planned?
Oh,
We're gonna be here.
Right.
We're gonna be here. All right. Let's see how this beautiful salad pairs with. Oh, I guess I didn't show. Okay, so that you can take a peek. That is the finished product. Well, we'll take a nice photo with some garnish as well. And okay, with the Albariño, do you need some more?
Albariño? It's good, eh?
Really good. The mint and the orange make it like a really nice.
Really good combination. Yeah, very good. Maybe I would add a little more orange. Well, I don't know what happened.
Well,
I didn't peel the whole orange, so I would put a little more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so good. And it really, I think it brings out the fruit in the Albariño with like the saltiness of the dressing as well. Yeah, well, what fun. Okay, well, that went fast. I guess off we go. Any last questions, comments? I'll take any last questions. And let's see. We'll be coming back to you in June. Oh, also June will be when we start we're gonna have a summer happy hour series, the first Fridays of the month, June, July, August, September, October, 5 first Fridays in a row, where you can come. We'll have live music, wines by the glass, by the bottle, and it should be really good fun. 4 to 7, a little more casual, as to ring in the weekend, and so we hope you join us, and certainly also in the first Tuesday of May will be our next episode of our cooking show, of course.
May, no, in June.
Oh, June. Sorry,
Yeah,
June.
yeah.
We're already in May.
This is it.
And we'll round up the episode with another one from Taylor. I'm adding iceberg for a little more chill. Good one, Taylor. Cheers to the mothers and fathers that raised us, and see you soon. Cheers.